In front of me is iPhone SE from 2022, and let me show you how to detect total screen time on your phone. So at first, reach settings, then locate and click on screen time, and right in front of you you've got the statistics, so you can smoothly check it right like this, or you can gain some further details by tapping on see all activity, and here you'll be able to check the details of a particular app usage right here. So for example, phone app been in use for 4 minutes today, while for example PUBG was played for more than half an hour. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.